What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when your location services are not working for your iOS or third-party apps. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, close all apps that are running on your device. Next, open up your Settings application. Under Privacy and Security, select Location Services. Make sure that Location Services is enabled on your device. Below, you can allow individual apps to use Location Services while using the app, to ask next time when you use the application, or simply disable Location Services for some applications. At the bottom of this list, select System Services. Here, make sure to allow Location Services for these services, as they might otherwise not work on your iPhone or iPad. When this is done, you should make sure that privacy restrictions are not preventing apps from using your location. Back in your main settings, select Screen Time. In your Screen Time settings, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure that the Share My Location option is set to Allow, or simply disable all restrictions. This will require you to enter your Apple ID password. While still in your settings, navigate back to your general settings. Here, tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure to allow apps that use your location to update in the background. This can help fix location issues with some applications. The last step in your settings is to make sure that you're running the latest iOS version. Navigate to the Software Update section. Here, download the latest update before restarting your iPhone or iPad. This will make sure that the problem is not software related, and it will also restart all processes running on your device. In case nothing helped you out, open up your App Store application. Here, look up the name of the app and download the latest update. This will completely restart the application. If there is no update available to you, then head back to your settings. Here, in the General section, tap on Storage. It might take a few seconds to load your storage information, and you can then search for the application's name. From here, tap on Offload App. This will reinstate the application and revert all changes back to default. All of these steps and additional information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.